The main purpose of our project was to find out more about how a spacecraft can travel from the Earth to the Moon and how human life can be lived in conditions of microgravity. Therefore, we tried to build a system in order for us to picture how it really works.
The Earth's rotation speed is maximal at the equator. That is why the kinetic energy of an object at the equator is maximal. Under the action of Earth's gravitational force, if a ship goes up into space, launched from the equator, it will also be moving around the Earth at the same speed. If an object is traveling in a straight line, its momentum will maintain the initial course and speed until a force will interact with it. The more mass an object has, the more force is needed for stopping it. That is why we have chosen to send our satellite on curved orbits.
We have chosen a Hoffman-type trajectory for taking the satellite on orbit around the Moon. Taking the project to a higher level, we will now talk about how astronauts manage to live in space and how their living can be improved. Astronauts basically do the same thing when they go to space. Some foods can be eaten in their natural form, such as brownies and fruits. Other foods require adding water, such as macaroni and cheese or spaghetti. Of course, an oven is provided in the space shuttle and the space station to heat foods to their proper temperature. There are no refrigerators in space, so space food must be stored and prepared properly to avoid spoilage, especially on longer missions. Another problem that concerns us is the bathroom in space. The toilet looks similar to a Western-style toilet that we use on Earth. However, there's a slight difference. To prevent the astronauts from floating away, the toilet comes equipped with foot restraints for sitting and the tow bar to slip the feet under for standing. The toilet also has a tie bar similar to the one that pulls down over your lap when you ride a roller coaster, and fabric fasteners that go around the thighs. To ensure that the waste also doesn't float around, the toilet uses flowing air instead of water to flush the toilet.